If your router wobbles like this, there's a fix for that. Just buy a piece of clear acrylic and find the center. Then remove your router's base plate and center it with your markings. Then trace the location of the 4 screw holes. Use a large Forstner bit to slowly drill out the center, then a smaller Forstner bit to countersink the screw heads. You don't want to drill too deep here. Finally, drill through those holes with a regular drill bit. After removing the protective film, I'll secure it to my router with the original screws. With the router now fully supported, there's no more wobble.